really with this one song. I didn't record it, but it's a song I grew up listening to my mom sing. You know, in my eyes, she will always be my female vocalist of the year. And but the song was made popular by Auntie Genoa. Cute story. Years ago, Auntie Genoa came to play at Ho'omau on Maui, a concert for Hawaii immersion schools. And I was singing about 2 or 3 sets before her. And those days she was already in the wheelchair and they was bringing her in. And they were like, oh, Auntie Genoa's here. I got off stage. I was like, wow. And I went to honey her and aloha her. And she said, was that you on the stage? And I said, yeah. She goes, oh. I was so confused. I was coming down the hill and I thought, that's me on the stage. It was the biggest compliment I ever got. I was like, yeah. That's why we gotta do what we do, yeah? They all live on in us. We gotta keep doing, singing the songs and the sounds of our kupuna. This song. How many of you know what an ali'i is? Okay, you raise your hand, try just yell them out loud. A chief. So you might think on first hearing that this song is about a chief. Yeah? It's not. It's kind of sarcastically using the ali'i. A woman is writing this song and saying like, what's like you think you a chief. Yeah? So the second verse, so I sit over here and I'm cooking for you, yeah? And kuene is like a waitress or a servant. So what? Now I'm a servant, larakai. You know, because Hawaiian wedding is we're not too good at serving.
Tomorrow, Radio DJ 2, we have that to the list.